Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're unboxing and reviewing the Silvercrest mini cordless handheld vacuum cleaner from Lidl. Let's dive right into it. Here's the box. It's nothing fancy, with some use case images and basic info. Let's open it up and see what's inside. We have manual, part pricing, and guarantee. Accessories and a USB-C to USB-A power cable. Unfortunately, there's no bag to store the vacuum along with the nozzles. Here's the vacuum itself. The filter is very small and fairly easy to take out. There's only one button. Pressing it once activates the lights, and pressing it continuously turns on the vacuum cleaner. Here I'll test how good it sucks with some ground pepper. It's not the best test, but it helps visualize things. Now to see how it blows, I don't have an inflatable by hand, but judging by the stream, it will work about as good as anything else. Let's try seat cleaning. My car's seats are in pristine shape, and I don't intend on dirtying them just to test this out, but luckily my gaming chair is fairly similar to a car seat. I use a cushion since this model is very hard, so all kinds of trash get underneath. It's not really its intended use, but I decided to try it on the carpet. It didn't go well. On the box, it's shown cleaning a keyboard. I honestly don't see it being useful for that. Lastly, the blower can be used to dust off a dirty PC. Unfortunately, I recently got a new GPU, so when I opened the box, I was disappointed to find there wasn't that much dust I could blow off. The camera doesn't show it, but dust particles got everywhere. So I'd say this little thing is blowing pretty well. Here's what I managed to collect. In conclusion, this cheap vacuum blower combo is good if you want a general tool that will help you clean small surfaces, inflate pool toys and mattresses, or dust something off. It doesn't come close to the power dedicated devices have, and I wouldn't recommend it if you want something to regularly clean your car seats. If you found my video useful, please consider giving it a like and subscribe to my channel so I can make more of these.